What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Scott Burnhard here, back with another video. And today's video is going to be very special because this is a video that's been highly requested since my last, what I eat in a day vegan video. And a lot of people were asking me, Scott, what is or how to prepare a Seamoss shake, all right? Listen, guys, I cannot stop talking about Seamoss. This is Mother Nature's gift to us all, and I will continue to spread the wonderful word about Seamoss. So first of all, Seamoss has 90% essential minerals for the human body, all right? That's 90% essential minerals for the human body. So you don't have to worry about being B12 deficient or being magnesium deficient or potassium and none of that, all right? Seamoss has it all, over 90%. All right, 92 out of 102 minerals for the human body. First of all, it's anti-cancer, fights cancer like Mike Tyson back in the 90s, all right? Fights inflammation, good for joint health, good for skin health. Speaking about skin health, my skin has been like flourishing and looking really nice. So shout outs to Seamoss for that. Good for the hair, good for the nails, good for ulcers, good for digestive problems. Oh my goodness, Seamoss have so many benefits, guys, and I feel like it's up to me to share that knowledge about Seamoss, Mother Nature's gift, all right, which is an ocean algae, so it's an ocean plant. So we still, we keeping it vegan. That's mostly found in the Caribbean and in some parts of Ireland. So it would be Seamoss, Irish moss, we all moss. All right, so let's get into it. Today's video is about how to prepare Seamoss, all right? And as you see right here, I have some Seamoss right now. So the Seamoss that I have is actually wild Seamoss. I'm probably gonna do a video on how to differentiate from the fake Seamoss to the wild Seamoss, all right? So this is wildly cultivated. This is not out in a farm state or anything like that. So this is wild Seamoss. You see right here? I'm gonna do a close-up so you guys can actually see it. All right, so what we're gonna do, my Seamoss right here, I soaked it overnight. I soaked it for, overnight, probably like 5 to 6 hours overnight. I recommend that people do soak it to 5 to 6 hours. Just because, just wash it off, anything like that. But this wild Seamoss right here, it doesn't have no salt or no added preservatives or anything like that because it's wildly cultivated, all right? So the first thing that you have to do is soak your Seamoss, then again, 5 to 6 hours. And then from there, I'm gonna show you how to prepare it. And from there, I'm gonna show you how to make a high protein shake with the Seamoss, all right? So let me show you again. See it right here. All right, so let's go. All right, guys, so I'm just giving you a closer look at the Seamoss, as you can see right there. Get it? See? Seamoss? All right, so look at me. I'm just, just putting my hands through it, making sure that everything is all right, okay? Just nicely preparing it. And also, this is not a sponsored video, but in order to have a Seamoss shake, you gotta have Seamoss. Shout outs to my wonderful sponsors called Vital Vegan, wildly crafted Jamaican Irish Seamoss. Guys, if you're looking for the right Seamoss, please check out Vital Vegan. I'm gonna put the link in the description below and use my code Burnhard20 so you can get a nice discount on the Seamoss. You see me? Real thing we are dealing with. All right, so I feel like the Seamoss is prepared. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna put it in the blender, we're gonna blend it up, and then we're gonna see what we're gonna do for the high protein shake. All right, everything irie, everything blessed, you see me? INFLAMMATORY is vital. Yeah, man. So I think the Seamoss is ready to now be blended up in the blender right here. So what we're gonna do, we're just gonna take bits and chunks of it like this, and we're gonna put it in the blender. Watch, just put it in the blender. Put it in the blender. Bits and chunks of it. It's a lot. It's a whole lot. And then we're gonna take just a little bit of the water that we used to soak it in. Good. Gonna put a little bit more. Gonna make a lot of Seamoss, man. listen, back home in my country, Jamaica, right? This is what the men were taking when they wanted to get a woman pregnant. So they call it Baba Roots back home. You know, so like this will make you rock. For my men out there, this will make you rock solid, you see me? Get ready to mash up some things. Alright, so we have some Seamoss in there, and then we're gonna take some spring water. I have a very sensitive taste when it comes to water, so this is my favorite water right here, Crystal Geyser. This is only $1 at Family Tree, nothing too fancy. I just put it in here, and I put it, you know, a look of it. Good job, good job. All right, we have a little bit more of Seamoss. I'll probably use this for later, but for the video purposes, we're just gonna have it right here. All right, so back to what I was saying. So Seamoss was actually an aphrodisiac back home in Jamaica, but apart from it making you rock solid and, you know, real fertile when it comes to the men and women, you know, it just has so many different benefits, and I feel like everybody should just get on it. All right, so now we're gonna get the blending of the Seamoss. See here that we blended up the Seamoss, and this is how it's gonna look, you know, but for now we just gonna store it. So you get something like this, open it up, it's looking real good. All right, now you just pour it in here, pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it. It's a lot. Woo, boy. All right, good, good. Now for the rest, we're gonna use to make the Seamoss shake, high protein Seamoss shake. All right, so we're gonna put this right, gonna put it right here. All right, so this right here, we're just gonna save it as a base. So what you wanna do now, watch this. All right, so for the rest of the Seamoss right here, just open up the fridge, right? All right, it's open. Now all you gotta do for the rest of it, just store it in the fridge. And once it's blended, it has a shelf life of 2 weeks, but this will be gone before even 2 weeks because I take it every morning. All right, so now let's make that shake.
A few moments later.
Oh, you see that we have our Seamoss right here ready to be blended up, and to make the shake, high protein Seamoss vegan shake. Gotta get it right. And now I'm gonna show you what I have. So I have some hemp seeds. We're gonna put some hemp seeds in there, like a handful of hemp seeds. Really, really good for you. Really, really good for you. Chock full of fiber, protein, magnesium. So good for you, so good for you. So, man, I'm gonna put a little bit more hemp seeds in there, man. Can never go wrong with hemp seeds, all right? Next, I have some raw organic maca powder. Listen, like I was saying before, Seamoss, amazing for your sex drive, amazing for your sexual health. And then when you add a maca powder, listen, you're ready to bulldoze or something, all right? So maca powder is really, really good for you, all right, guys? We're just gonna put like a spoonful. Actually, let me get my spoon right now. My bad, y'all. I ain't perfect. All right, let me get my little spoon. Spoonful of maca powder. Boom, right there, let's go. Now next, this is very optional. It's very optional. You can either put almond butter, peanut butter, hemp butter, we all butter. It don't really matter, but I choose to use Smart Balance chunky peanut butter, chock full of omega-3s, and you know, it's pretty good, it's pretty good. Add a little taste to it, so we're going, not too much peanut butter. I'm gonna put it right in there. So I have baby bananas, which is Borough bananas, Dr. Sebi approved, and I have dates, which is also Dr. Sebi approved, and these two are added for the sweetness, for the shake. Very nutritious in their own right, but I don't want it too sweet, so I'm gonna have to choose either one, and I'm kind of in the middle right now. I think I'm gonna go with the bananas. The dates I can use for another time, but these are very both nutritious, all right? So chock full of potassium, really good for your brain health, really good for your heart health, and yeah, man. So I'm gonna go with the bananas. Last but not least, we're gonna get us some plant-based milk. And recently I picked up this brand called Ripple, dairy-free as it should be. Good marketing. 8 grams of plant-based protein, half the sugar of milk, and 50% more calcium than milk. Alright, so this one I'm gonna use. Usually I would use like coconut milk, but you know, let's see what this milk is saying to us. You can use coconut milk, hemp milk, rice milk, as long as it's plant-based, because we're making a vegan shake, alright? Awesome, so we have it ready, have it done. Now we're just gonna blend it up, alright? So we're just gonna blend it up for like no more to 20 to 30 seconds, alright? Probably even less than that. This is a very powerful blender. It really depends on the power of your blender, but this one right here is a beast. Alright, my lovely people, so I think we're finished with the shake. Now let's just open it up. Smells really good. Oh boy. Alright, so watch this. Ooh, nice and smooth, not one bit of chunkiness. That's what I'm talking about, man. Alright, so now it's time for the taste test. Even though I know it's gonna taste really good because it's not the first time I had it, but why not? Let's just do it. Let's go. Hold on, I had to stop myself. I literally almost drank all of the shake because this thing is too damn good. Oh my. So there you have it, guys. This is how you make a high protein Seamoss shake. And for me, I love to consume this the first thing I wake up, like after I drink like half my gallon of water. First thing I wake up, I will like consume this to like just help me go throughout my day until I'm ready to like eat some solid food. That's the way I do it. So it's almost like an intermediate kind of fasting kind of thing. Or I will like consume this after my workouts. So, you know, just to help recover from all the beat up and the beat down. Because that's the thing. When you work out, you break down your body and then you repair it back later. So that's what you have to do. Recovery is very important, guys. Very, very important. And like I said, this is a high protein Seamoss shake, vegan. I gotta put the emphasis on vegan. All right, so it's your boy Scott Burnhard. Rate, comment, like, share, subscribe. I'll be coming out with more videos on how to make more different recipes and Seamoss this, Seamoss that, because Seamoss is the best thing in the world. I'm so biased. Anyways, last thing, like I said before, if you're looking for some like real natural wild crafted Seamoss, check out vitalveganinc.com. Use my code use my code Burnhard20 and get a nice discount on the Seamoss, and share this video with your family members, with your friends that's looking to make a nice Seamoss shake, man. And yeah, man, this is where it's at, babe. I see y'all, man. So damn good. We out.